Our world was much larger then. The forest went on forever. We tree spirits nurtured the harmony of all living things, but our closest friends were humans. Then, as sometimes happens, the balance of nature shifted. And Hexus, the very spirit of destruction, rose up from the bowels of the earth and rained down his poison. The forest was nearly destroyed. Many lives were lost, and the humans fled in fear, never to return. Most think they didn't survive. It was only by calling up the magical powers of nature that I was able to trap Hexus inside an enchanted tree and save Ferngully. Which is why it is so important for you to learn to use these powers. I won't be around forever, and you have to... Krista?
Yes.
That is why it is so important for you to learn the secrets of... Krista!
Magi, yes. The secrets. I know, but I mean, it's all right now. That was so long ago, and you trapped him in that tree and everything, so I really have to go now, but I'll see you later, okay? Bye!